In this video, I'll show you how to use bar replay mode in Tradingview. First, sign into your Tradingview account and open the chart you want to analyze. Choose the market and time frame you'd like to practice with before starting the replay, since these settings determine the historical data you'll be working with. Next, look at the toolbar above the chart and click the Replay button. Once replay mode is activated, click on any candle in the past where you want the simulation to begin. Tradingview will hide all future price actions so you can analyze the market as if it were happening in real time. After that, use the replay controls to move through the chart. Click the play button to let new candles appear automatically, or you use the step forward button to reveal one candle at a time. You can also adjust the replay speed to make the simulation faster or slower, depending on how you want to study the market. This is especially useful for practicing entries, exits, and chart analysis without seeing future price movements. Now, continue using your drawing tools and indicators while replay mode is running. You can draw trend lines, identify support and resistance levels, and evaluate your trading decisions as each new candle appears. If you want to restart the exercise, simply stop the replay and choose a different starting candle. Finally, when you've finished practicing, exit replay mode to return to the live chart. Repeat the process with different markets and time frames to improve your chart reading skills and test your trading strategies under different market conditions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use bar replay mode in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.